We asked ChatGPT to act as a storyteller and write a children's book. You can see our prompt in the description below. Let us know what you think of the story in the comments. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a kind and curious bear named Benny. Benny loved to explore the forest and meet new animals, but he always felt something was missing. One day, while wandering through the forest, Benny came across a small, lost rabbit. The rabbit was so scared and alone that Benny knew he had to help. He took the rabbit under his paw and promised to help him find his way home. Together, Benny and the rabbit traveled through the forest, meeting all kinds of animals along the way. They met an old owl who taught them about the stars, a playful raccoon who showed them how to climb trees, and a friendly deer who taught them how to dance. But no matter how much fun they had, the rabbit couldn't shake the feeling that he was still lost. Benny knew he had to do something to help, so he came up with a plan. He would take the rabbit to see the wisest animal in the forest, the great wise old monkey. The wise old monkey listened to the rabbit's story and told him that sometimes, the way home is not about finding a physical place, but about finding where you belong. The rabbit understood what the monkey meant and thanked Benny for showing him that he belonged in the forest, with all his new friends. Benny and the rabbit decided to stay together and continue exploring the forest, and they lived happily ever after. The end.